Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to make a Rapunzel inspired Easter basket. For this I'm using a purple basket, some yellow yarn, some purple tulle, some purple ribbon. I'm going to make a tulle tutu skirt for the basket. I'm cutting my pieces 12 inches each. My basket's about 6 inches tall, so that's about the length I want the tutu skirt to be. The size of your basket will determine the size or length of the tutu skirt that you'll need. We also need to cut yarn, and I did 48-inch pieces, and I did 15 pieces for each section of braid that I made, and so there was 3 sections to the braid, so in all I needed 45 pieces that were 48 inches long. I would say best guess is to measure the length of the basket including the handle and double it for your yarn length. The next thing you want to do is tie off each section with a little bit of yarn, and then tie all 3 sections together and start braiding. Once you finish the braid, tie off the bottom section with a little bit of yarn and put that aside. Now I'm going to cut a piece of purple ribbon to fit around the top of my basket, and I'm going to leave some extra to be able to tie it off once I finish making my tulle skirt. And this will be the base of the tulle skirt. To make the tulle skirt, take your piece of tulle, fold it in half. Where it's folded, you're going to make that a loop just above the piece of ribbon. Take your loose ends, put it through the loop, and then pull it tight. So now it should be attached to the ribbon. Do this until you have your ribbon completely full of tulle from one end to the other. Remember to leave the excess to be able to tie it on. While doing this, I realized that the tulle that I was using was a smaller roll than what I usually have. So I decided to get another roll of that and some plain purple tulle that I got in the clearance section that was pre-cut pieces. So I added a plain piece of purple for every sparkly piece of purple tulle. Again, you won't know how much you need until you actually measure your basket and know how much you're going to put on around your basket. Next, I used clothespins to hold the tulle skirt onto the basket while I attached it. I decided to use zip ties to attach the tulle skirt, so that way if I decide later I want to remove the tulle skirt and change the basket up, I can take it off pretty easily and it's not glued down. You can glue it down if you would like. So I just attached so I attached a zip tie to either side of the handle, on both ends of the handle, and then one on either end of the basket. And they hide really nicely underneath the tool. You just clip the ends and you really don't even see them. To add the hair, I just placed the braid on the handle and decided how long I wanted the one end to be. And then I clothespinned it to the handle to see how it would look. Then the end that's not going to be hanging down, I rolled up like a bun. I did it while it was on the basket so I could see how much it needed to be rolled up to get to the top edge of the basket. Once I figured that out, I used a clothespin to kind of mark the spot where I wanted to stop rolling. To keep the hair in a bun, I used some hot glue to keep the hair all stuck together. To attach the hair to the basket handle, I decided to use some pink ribbon that I thought looked like the pink ribbon that laces up Rapunzel's dress to kind of weave around the hair and the basket handle. So I started at the top of the basket handle, wove the ribbon through the hair, and then went down either side. Like, I made sure to put the ribbon, the middle of the ribbon, in the top of the basket so I could take one side of the ribbon down one side of the handle and then the other side of the ribbon down the other handle. And to secure that, I just tied and glued it to the hair at the ends. I also decided to add some of that same pink ribbon to the tulle skirt just to give little pink accents. Again, to look like that ribbon that Rapunzel has on her dress. Next, I added some flowers to the braid to make it look like Rapunzel's hair when she has it all braided and goes to see the lights. I used flowers that I found that I had around for other crafts. You just want really small ones so they don't take up too much of the hair. And here's the finished product with some eggs and Pascal and Rapunzel all added next to it. You can see how cute it would be for your little one to wake up Easter morning and see this as their basket. I think it looks really pretty with all the pastel colored eggs inside. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we'll have lots more Easter fun coming up in the next few weeks until Easter time. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye-bye.